What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money using AI and Whop affiliates program. So I'm going to be showing you how to get started for free and then what I do on a daily basis. Now, if you're brand new to making money online and you've never made a dollar online, you're clueless, you don't know where to start, you're in the right place. I'm going to be showing you how to get started step by step. And if you want everything that I'm going to be showing in today's video, all you got to do is drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I will send you access to everything. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the first thing you need to do, and that is to get the digital playbook right here. So to get access to the digital playbook, just go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, and you will get taken to a screen that looks like this. This is actually our community hosted on Whop, and this is where the digital playbook is hosted. So let me just go ahead and talk about the digital playbook real quick. So what the digital playbook has is it has step-by-step information on how to get started more in depth, because I'm not able to talk about everything on this YouTube video. So you have videos, literally it's a checklist right here, all the necessary tools. You can see right here, there are 130 plus AI tools, so you're able to get paid to promote. This is just the clipping section right here. And if you want to see everything else, just go ahead and join the community. So going back to the digital playbook community, you can see that we have about 1,600 people in here. And if we go down here over to the left right here, these are all of our apps. So the new start here, this is where you will be when you first start. You'll see this is where the access to the digital playbook is right here, the Google Sheet. And then just go ahead and introduce yourself over here. If you can see on the right hand side, these are all the different users that are in here. And going back over to the left hand side, you'll see that this is where the clipping deals are. So if you're unfamiliar with what clipping is basically just taking long form content of streamers, artists, content creators, and making short form content of those clips or of that content, clipping it or taking clips of it, and then posting it on your own social media accounts, and you can actually make money from this. So if you want to go ahead and learn more about that, you can join this course right here. We have a chat, different announcements, other affiliate offers, and then questions, and then some members only videos of how to get started. So what I would suggest you guys do is go ahead and join this right here. This will show you how to clip, but I want to briefly just go over what I'm doing on a daily basis if you guys want to use my system. So using my system is where you're going to need this tool called Go High Level. Now, what Go High Level allows you to do is it allows you to collect leads, allows you to send out emails, and allows you to post content, or excuse me, schedule out content. And if you want to run a business or make money online, it's almost necessary that you have a CRM. 14-day free trial. Go ahead and sign up. Once you do, it'll take you to a screen that looks like this. This is going to be your sub account, and the three areas over here that we're going to be focusing on are going to be sites, automations, and then marketing. Sites, that is where your funnel is. So basically what this is a funnel, just a simple web page to collect data. We have over here, excuse me, let me go back to, we have the automations. This is what the email automations are. And then marketing, this is where you are able to schedule out your content. Let this load real quick. And this is where you're able to schedule out your content. This would be a social planner, but you're probably wondering, how are we going to be making money with all this? Well, you need attention, you need views, you need leads, and that is going to be coming from posting content. So if we go to the digital playbook, I give you guys everything you need. These are the prompts that I'm using for my short form. We can see that these are all tools that have affiliate programs. So if it's on this list, it has an affiliate program. These are the top ones that I use and I recommend. Go High Level, Blotato, Descript, and Make.com. Descript, this is what I use to like clip the long form content. Also, this is what I use to like record. So I'm actually recording on Descript right now. Make.com, I wouldn't get into right now unless you advance with like AI tools and automation. Blotato, this is the tool that I also use for like creating the short form videos. So you can go and check this out for free. I love it. You can see the content right here. You can see all the testimonials. So definitely try this out. It's free for 7 days. And then the other tool that I use is Go High Level. So if you don't want to use Blotato, I actually give you guys a bunch of done for you short form videos that you are able to take and upload in the CapCut. So there's over 700, like I said, and you can start getting familiar with AI tools and automations. Now, if this is super confusing for you, you don't know what to do, I do have a mentorship that you can go ahead and join. $260 one-time payment. You'll have direct access to me. We have chats, a course, group calls. And if you're actually serious, it's time to go all in and join the AI mentorship. So if any of this sounds interesting to you, just go to digitalplaybook.com. Like I said, you'll have access to this Google Sheet, what it is, for completely free. You can go through everything right here. But if you're not serious, like, go ahead and just leave this video, because I've had too many people try to reach out to me and they're not taking this serious. So if you really want to get this started, if you really want to change your life, go ahead and join the Digital Playbook and start taking action. So leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And AI Pros, I'll see you in the next one.